2025 Toyota Camry LE Hybrid boasts a sleek and modern exterior with sharp lines and an aggressive front grille that exudes sophistication. Brought to you by Desert Toyota. The Camry's LED headlights and taillights enhance visibility while adding a touch of elegance. Its aerodynamic design improves fuel efficiency, while the wide stance gives it a strong road presence. The 2025 Camry LE Hybrid is powered by a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine, paired with an electric motor, delivering a combined 208 horsepower. The efficient hybrid powertrain provides an excellent balance of power and fuel economy, achieving impressive miles per gallon, making it a great choice for those who seek performance without sacrificing efficiency. The back seats of the 2025 Camry LE Hybrid offer ample space for passengers with comfortable cushioning and generous legroom. Whether for long trips or short commutes, passengers can enjoy a relaxing ride with soft touch materials and thoughtful design to ensure comfort. Inside, the Camry LE Hybrid offers a refined cabin with premium materials, including soft touch surfaces and high-quality finishes. The spacious interior features ergonomic seating, a well-organized dashboard, and intuitive controls. With attention to detail, the cabin provides a quiet and comfortable environment for all occupants. Safety is a top priority in the 2025 Camry LE Hybrid, with Toyota Safety Sense 2.5 Plus as standard. This suite of advanced safety features includes pre-collision system with pedestrian detection, lane departure alert, adaptive cruise control, and blind spot monitoring. The 2025 Camry LE Hybrid is equipped with a 7-inch touchscreen display, featuring Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Amazon Alexa compatibility. It also includes Bluetooth connectivity, a 6-speaker audio system, and available navigation. Tech-savvy drivers will appreciate the intuitive infotainment system and the available wireless charging pad for their devices. The 2025 Camry LE Hybrid is designed with convenience in mind, offering features such as keyless entry, a power-adjustable driver's seat, and dual-zone automatic climate control. The trunk provides ample cargo space, and the available sunroof adds to the driving experience. These features make everyday use both simple and enjoyable. The 2025 Toyota Camry LE Hybrid is a standout in its class, offering a harmonious blend of efficiency, performance, and modern features. With a stylish exterior, comfortable interior, and cutting-edge technology, it provides a well-rounded driving experience. Whether for daily commuting or long road trips, the Camry LE Hybrid delivers on all fronts, making it a smart choice for the eco-conscious driver. You can view our selection at deserttoyota.com, give us a call at 520-585-5413, or visit our showroom today.